Do you want to earn $20 worth of Bitcoin to your wallet? If yes, stick to this video. I'm going to show you how you can get that. What's up guys, it's Binance Tutorials. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get free Bitcoin to your wallet every minute. So guys, I'm going to walk you guys to my computer screen. As you can see right here on my computer screen, I have Bitcoin icon somewhere up there. So I'm going to show you how you can get free Bitcoin to your wallet. It's pretty easy. All I want you guys to do is to watch this video to the end. Please don't skip, because if you do, you're actually gonna get it wrong, or you might not be able to get this Bitcoin free of charge. So guys, this is it here. This is the platform that allows you, AARs is a platform that allows you to earn free Bitcoin to your wallet every minute, every second. I've reviewed this and it's actually paying. I've been able to withdraw from my other account and it's working perfectly. One thing about this is for website owners. These are for people who owns a website, those who have access to a website, because these AARs work with your website. But if you don't have a website and you want to earn free Bitcoin to your wallet address, I have a video on my channel. Just check around. I made a video on how you can get free domain and hosting account to start up your website. So you can watch the video and learn how you can get free domain accounts and also free cPanel, free hosting to start up your website free of charge. So right here, this is this app, or let me say an ad company that pays you via BTC. As you can see right here, this is the amount of BTC I've been able to generate just today. This is right here. So if you can go up here, if you place your mouse cursor on this, it's going to show you the worth of BTC. As you can see, this BTC worth 27.13 USD, that is United States dollars. All right, so this is right here. I'm just going to show you guys, I'm going to walk you guys through how you can create an account with this company and start earning free BTC. It's pretty easy, it's tested and it's working. So right here, how am I able to get this amount of BTC right here? It's pretty easy. All I have to do, like I said earlier, is integrating this ad with your website. So this is the ad right here. I'm going to open a website where I earn my free BTC. So this is the website that enables me to earn my free BTC. So if you go to this website called Mondo Musical, this website is a music download website. It's a free MP3 music download website for all kind of music you want. So as you can see right here, this is the ad here. This is it here. This ad displaying right here is this AARs. So once I integrate this or embed this ad formats or ad code on my website, once visitors come to my website, they keep viewing this ad, and the more they view, the more I'm earning my free BTC. The more they view, the more I'm earning free Bitcoin. The more they view, the more I earn free Bitcoin. Yeah, I just put this ad today. This is just like 24 hours I started using this, and I've been able to generate a Bitcoin worth $27. So this is here. This is the proof right here. So right now I'm going to show you guys how you can get started using AAR. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to a guest mode to enable me do everything effectively. Or let me go back. Okay, let me copy this URL right here. So I'm going to create a new account and show you guys step by step how you can start earning from AARs. So this is right here. So I'm going to go to aars.com. This is how you get started. Please watch, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe, like my video, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop new video that has to do with cryptocurrency, website SEO, how you can rank your website, how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and how to get stuff done. Right, so as you can see here, I have a sign up and I have sign in. Now I already have an account. What I'm going to do, I'm going to sign in. But in your case, and I want to show you guys how you can get started to this platform, I'm going to click on sign up. So when I go to sign up, I'm going to input my email address. So I'm going to enter my email address. Oh, I don't like this. All right. Oh. All right, so this is my email address. I'm going to confirm I'm not a robot. So you just take the tags to confirm that you're not a robot. So it's pretty easy. So I'm going to wait for crosswalks. Oh, I think verified. So this is right here. So I'm going to hit on the sign up button. So it's going to take a while to get to load. All right, so I'm going to select a password for my account. So I'm going to use a random password. I'm going to use 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 @ So let's go. Confirm password, incorrect password. All right, in a few minutes you will receive. All right, so I'm going to take my email address to get my confirmation code. So I'm going to go to my email address. I think let me get my email, let me get my stuff here. I already have my email signed in here, so sorry for keeping you guys waiting. So let me get this done. Okay, Wixin. So let me get this done sharply. Right, this is right here. Alright, as you can see right here, this is it here. I'm going to click on the email confirmation. So I'm going to click right here. Either I click here or I copy this link. So I'm going to copy this link right here. I'm going to copy this link, copy link address, and get back to my guest mode. Alright, okay, you need to sign in to finish email confirmation. So username, password 12345. Let me check back my email again. I think they sent a password code here, so this is my password here. So I'm going to copy it right here, go back again and paste. Click on sign in. Invalid passwords. Wow, what's wrong? Let me get it back again. I'm gonna copy this here, I'm gonna paste it, then my password, I'm gonna paste it. Okay, so click on sign in. So right now we've successfully confirmed our account. So what I'm going to do is to start earning with AAX. So how I'm going to do here to start earning, I'm going to click on this. Okay, I'm going to click on this icon here. As you can see, the account, nothing is reading here. It's still 0.00 USD. So I'm going to click on this plus icon right here. So when I go to this, okay, this is the deposit fund. I'm going to get to advertise. No, I'm going to click on earn. Yeah, this is when you go to earn, you see option to create ad units. So I'm going to click here. You can actually sign up to the referral program to get commission via affiliation, stuff like that. You just have to refer someone and earn more money while referring people. So what I'm going to do right here, I'm going to click on the create ad unit to monetize your traffic. That's your website traffic. So I'm going to click here. All right, so I'm going to select my ad unit. So I'm going to select my ad unit based on your taste. You can select an ad limit that suits your need. So I'm going to select an ad unit. I'm going to select 336 by 3280. I think I'm going to select this here. So what I'm going to do is to input my website URL. So I'm going to get my website URL. I'm going to use this website here. So this is it right here. I'm going to input it here. Okay, so I'm going to click. You're going to select disable gambling ad. Do you want to show gambling ad on your website? Do you want to show gambling ad? Yeah, I want to show gambling ad just to increase my revenue fast. The more you, as you can see, it gets reduced. When I click on it, it's okay. I notice something right here. Click, it increases and it decreases. That is when you show gambling ad, your revenue gets decreased. So I'm going to take it off. I'm going to take this off. Yeah, disable risky investment high, blah blah blah. Let's check this. No, I just okay. Confirm I'm not a robot. Tractor. Yeah. Okay. So click on create ad units. So what I'm going to do right here, I'm going to copy this iframe code. So I'm going to copy this iframe code right here and go to my website and paste it on my header section. So I'm going to go to my website. So I'm going to log into my website here. Oh, let me first show you guys this website. Let's open this website and see how it looks like. So this is this website here. It's a music download website. As you can see, there is no AA ads showing right here. I actually use propeller ad to monetize this website. So I'm going to take off this ad here, as you can see. So I'm going to insert my iframe code on my website to start earning my free BTC. So let me log into my website. Okay. Alright, so right here on my website, if you are using WordPress website, what you have to do is to go to your header section, or you can use a plugin called insert header and footer to integrate the code, but in my case I don't like using the plugin plugin. Or what I do, I go to my appearance, then go to team editor. When I go to the team editor, yeah, I understand. So we're gonna look for header PHP. Oh, alright, this is right here. So this is my header.php. So all I have to do is just to insert my AAR's code right here. So I'm going to insert it right here, then click on update file. It's going to get updated and the ad will start showing, and once it starts showing, you start monetizing and start earning free BTC. So I'm going to copy this right here and go back to my guest mode to preview it. So let's see if the ad will show up. Oh, as you can see, this is it right here. This is the AAR. It started showing already. So I'm going to go back to my Bitcoin free mining app, which is the AAX, to see if it's working correctly. So this is right here. Your ad unit has been created. So I'm going to go back to my dashboard. Oh, okay, let's go to the home page. Oh, let's see. Okay, deposit fund. No, I'm just looking for something. How to locate. Okay, dashboard. Alright, so this is my dashboard. As you can see, it's going to take a while to get updated. So as you can see, I've created an ad unit with this website called ninjastuff.com.ng. So my status is created. So it's going to take a while, like 5 to 10 minutes to get updated, and once it's updated, what you see here is earning. Let me show you guys another one here. From this one I already have running here. So this is it here. So as you can see, it's earning. So this is it right here, is earning. So this is the amount of BTC I'm earning per day, but in my case I do earn more than this because my traffic comes in a high way, or I do get a lot of high traffics. So I earn more than this per day. I think this is an error from the end. By the time they update this to a higher earning. So as you can see, this is it right here, I'm earning with this app. So let's go back to my guest mode again. Let's refresh and see if it's earning right now. Okay, it's not still updated. It's going to take like 5 to 10 minutes to get updated, and once it's updated, you start earning, and your earning starts counting from here. So as you can see, 0.0000 BTC. So this is it here. This is how you can earn free BTC to your wallet address. So guys, if you love this video, if you enjoy watching this video, please do not forget to like my video and leave a comment below, and then subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching, and do have a lovely day. Bye.